Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Kate here and I'm back with another tutorial. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide notes on Instagram. First of all, on your device, launch Snapchat app. After you're done with that, you will see your profile interface on Instagram. Then again, go to chat here by tapping on the chat at the top right corner of your screen. After that, below the search option, you will see notes. So tap on note. In here, you will be able to share anything in notes. So type whatever you want to share. Now you want to hide your note from certain people, so for that you will see an option at your screen that says share with followers you follow back. So simply tap on there. Once you're done with that, you can simply share your notes to the friends you follow back, or else you can customize who can and who can't see your note. For that, you will see an option at the bottom of your screen that says close friends. So tap on there, and in here you will be able to select your friends that you want to show your notes to, and in this way you can simply hide note on Instagram. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell icon, comment, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.